morning, guys. It's me, Claudia. I know it's been a while since I've talked to you. So today is Easter, and happy Easter, guys. And yeah, so today I'm going to vlog for you, and also tomorrow. And yeah, sorry for these lights now, but it's morning. It's like 8 o'clock a.m. Yeah, so the plan for today is wake up, obviously. Now I'm going to the bathroom to wash myself because I look like After, I'm going to open my chocolate eggs. Like every year we have like a chocolate egg for ourselves that our parents got us, like the Easter bunny. After, I'm going to get ready, I think, because I have to go to the church, and yeah, because it's Easter, and this is what it happened this night. Yeah, practically I feel so, it was so warm. I don't know, I was sweating. So now let's get started with this day. Oh, finally. Okay, guys, so this is my brother eggs, my sister, and mine. Okay, mine is a little big, but yeah, okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to, okay, I eat like 3 bites of the egg because it's so huge and my stomach was not ready for this. Yeah, I don't want to eat all the egg, but yeah. So now I'm going to do my makeup. I wash my face, my teeth, and other parts of my body that I don't want to tell you. It's currently not almost 9 a.m. and yeah, so let's get started with this makeup. Okay, guys, I realized that I was talking alone because my camera wasn't filming. Okay, in the meanwhile, I have like a monologue of 10 minutes, I think. Okay, pink one. Got it. Okay, guys, so now I'm ready. Well, this is the final look. It's simple, I know, but the eyes make the difference, I think. So now we are going to the bathroom to make my hair. Okay, I was forgetting that before the bathroom, I mean the hair, I have to choose the outfit and put it on because after I will wear my hair, obviously. So now we're going to choose it. Guys, I choose the outfit. I choose this shirt, the long sleeve shirt, because today it's a little bit windy. These jeans, under the jeans, these, like, I don't know, tights, I think they were called, shoes. They're a little bit elegant, or else I have to put my tennis shoes, and it's not cute. So now I will change in this outfit, and after we'll see to do my hair. And after we're done, promise.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. But you're already taken, nothing I can do. So I can only imagine how it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine, I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony.
So guys, we just filmed a video for this channel because I not use anymore my vlog channel. I had one, but I prefer to put in here so it will be
everything
compacted.
Like the same content.
And yeah, so we finished like 30 minutes ago to have lunch.
Yeah, very long lunch.
Yeah, we started at 1 p.m. and we finished at 4 p.m. Italian lunch. So yeah, now we filmed a video. I'm not going to tell you what video it is. You have to wait
and watch it,
obviously. So yeah, follow my cousin on Instagram. Oh, it's here. It's another video. Yeah,
up here.
Yeah. So we opened the eggs, by the way. Yeah, they're so now we're going to do something with our family, I think. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm like, okay.
This one is shiny. Gonna be shiny.
Yeah, we have the ring light. Okay, so what's next? Hey guys, it's me, Claudia. Okay, sorry for this time, but now it's currently 9:07, and I'm going to edit this vlog. Sorry if I haven't vlogged for the entire afternoon, but luckily we and my cousin filmed a video. It will be up on Saturday, and after we just chill here in my house. My cousin's gone and my aunt's too, and I do nothing. I was honestly searching up for a cheap camera, but honestly the only one that is good is the Canon G7X, and I can't afford it right now. I found it used on a Italian website, but it costs 340 euros, and it's pricey obviously, but I think that for this price I can't like put away money, and yeah, so I don't know. I will hope to reach that goal. I will have like a little money bank. I will try to put money away to save up, and yeah, so pretty is this. So guys, good night, and we'll see you tomorrow with another vlog. Yeah, of the 2 of April. This is the 1st of April and it's Easter. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.